Most people invest into the stock market as a lazy way to get good returns. But what if I told you the crash is less than 10 months away? Can you make generational wealth from it? Let me show you where you are and exactly how you can do it. Hi, I'm Ace, and I built my portfolio and invest using Buffett's value principles, my bachelor degree in finance and investment, and my own value cycle framework that has predicted every major crash in the last 200 years to find the best opportunities before everyone else. And right now, I see both opportunities and threats. Now, if you're looking around, the stock market is not crashing all at once. It's cracking piece by piece, and that's even more dangerous. We got the S&P 500 showing the same signs, the same patterns as 1999 and 2007 with the highest level of PE ratio ever. The Magnificent 7 tech stocks are taking the highest share of total market ever at over 36%. We also got the highest debt level and investor confidence in history, and global tensions are at the highest levels in years. So why is this happening? The problem is simple. Prices are growing way faster than profits. Think of it like this. If a company makes $1, but people pay $300 for it with no growth or very little growth, that's not investing. That's hope. And hope breaks when the cycle turns. And right now, big companies are priced like they're growing forever. But in reality, their debt is sky high, the world is unstable, and profits are not keeping up. Something has to snap. And right here, right now, we are also at the end of the real estate cycle. The same cycle that predicted 2008, 1999, and 1990 crash and every crash for 200 years. And at the end of this cycle, we've seen the same signs that I've mentioned before. And the cycle is saying the next crash is somewhere around 2026 or 2027. And this is exactly why I say you have around 10 months. And of course, the exact time is impossible to know, but we're getting very close to the point where everything breaks at once. So here's exactly what I'm doing. First, stacking cash. Cash is buying power in a crash. Second, staying away from hype stocks. Stock with high PE ratios fall the hardest. I'm only looking at companies with real profits, strong balance sheet, and low debt using my value cycle matrix. Third, building my watch list. I'm preparing to buy great companies at once in a decade discounts. Now, if you do want to know how I use my value cycle framework and macro cycles to protect and grow my wealth, do join my newsletter, link in bio. And comment down below, do you think the crash has already started or is the big drop still coming? I'll be reading every comment.